For over 20 years, Atlantis Marine has delivered safe, reliable, and advanced subsea inspections. We help FPSO and vessel operators stay compliant, operational, and ahead of schedule. Underwater inspections in lieu of dry dock, or UWILD, enables owners to meet class requirements without taking their vessel out of service. It is faster, more efficient, and avoids the disruption of a yard period. With more than 1,000 inspections completed worldwide, our teams understand the pressure of time-critical operations. Whether alongside, at anchorage, or on station offshore, we can deliver clean, verified data that class societies trust. Our UWILD services are supported by accreditations from Lloyd's, ABS, and DNV, and in 2024, we received the King's Award for Enterprise in recognition of our contribution to international trade. It demonstrates that our standards are recognized around the world. Our inspection capability is built around the Ocean Modules V8 and 500 and the Video Array Mission Specialist range. With full 6-degree control, exceptional stability, and a modular design, these systems reach confined or complex areas that divers and traditional ROVs cannot, including challenging mooring and turret locations. From hull plating to propellers, sea chests, ICCP systems and thruster tunnels, through to mooring chains, turrets and fair leads, our ROVs capture every detail with clarity and precision. We clean critical areas such as anchor and mooring chains so that every link can be inspected properly. For FPSO operators, we combine mooring chain cleaning with 3D photogrammetry to measure chain wear and link geometry accurately as part of the UWILD scope, giving clear evidence for integrity and class teams. Our complete UWILD package includes GVI, DVI, cathodic potential, ultrasonic thickness, flooded member detection, and high-resolution photogrammetry. We deliver structured, clearly formatted reporting that is ready for class submission. Every observation is traceable and presented in a way that supports fast decision-making onshore. With our Starlink network and Harvest livestream service, the clients can monitor the inspection in real time and speak directly with pilots. It offers complete transparency and control. Every mission contributes to our reputation. You can depend on our equipment, our preparation, and our people wherever the operation takes place. Atlantis Marine, safe, efficient, and class-ready UWILD inspections delivered by a team trusted worldwide.